What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. We're looking at Elrond today. It's literally moving exactly as predicted. What a crazy last 2 days, up 16% in the last 2 days. What a crazy breakout since breaking above the 55. The reason we're pumping, and we should continue pumping until $190, so another $4 we should continue pumping for, because we will run into the 200 EMA, just like we did right there before getting rejected. This rejection, if we do get this rejection like this, then we need to fall back to these EMAs. By the time you fall back, I think that the 20 and the 55 would have crossed. You're just going to get that retest before the continuation up to the 0382. So for me, if you hold, well, in around 160 to 170 now, if we can stay above that, 160 to 170, then we should eventually, even if we pull back and hold that, we should get eventual continuation to 223. You only invalidate 223 by losing this support that I just gave you, okay? So if you're losing that, we're obviously going to come back down to here. If that fails to hold, we're going to come back down to here. This is the key level that Elrond needs to hold, the 618, which I gave you. Measuring from the low to the high. I explained in yesterday's video why these looks like I haven't put it on the exact points, but if you go to the 4 hour, it's the exact points. So we're holding the most significant key level as support. We've double bottomed on it. You haven't validated the double bottom until you break $200, but when you break $200, let me just go on the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, I'm going to draw the resistance. Well, it's 190, the resistance. We're coming into it now, and then yeah, the lowest point 2, and then the neckline to the lowest body candle close, and then the breakout will be around $271. So we can see that that is above the 0382. And if you remember from literally months ago, from when I called this descending triangle back in December, which I gave you the technical target out of, down at this previous key low, because this is where we had all the support, we literally called the exact bottom for Elrond. So if you appreciate that and you appreciate me keeping you up to date, then of course like and subscribe. That's what's going to help the channel grow and get this video out to more like-minded people like us. So please go ahead and comment down below for the algorithm, like it as well. It means the world to me, and that's how we're going to grow this channel and get it to, out to more people. So yeah, this is the key level that if we want to flip this back completely bullish and have no worries in the world and just sit back, relax for the rest of the year, then we need to get above the 0382. Once we do that, as I said yesterday, I gave you further technical targets to the upside, and I forgot to put it in the thumbnail, but I'm going to do it today to get some clickbait. And the 1618 target, once we do reclaim the 0618, which is now our technical target out of the weekly target, the weekly target out of this double bottom is in around 272, but the daily target, because it's a bit lower and a bit higher, the support and resistance, this is actually at 327, which would be above the 0618, just a bit below the 236, but as in the 0618 is just below the 236, but that's fine because you can see our target of the daily double bottoms there. The weekly is a bit short, so I'm expecting something like this, where we pull back and then meet that target. We basically, once we're above this level, we need to hold this level as support, this area, and once we do that, then we'll get this continuation to 543, maybe pull back before continuation to the 1618. It won't happen like this. I wish it just went like that in a straight line, but yeah, these are the sort of moves that we can expect. Once we get above the 618, it's vital to hold this whole area here as support, and if you do something like that where we do hold it, then we should continue to the 1, maybe pull back a bit before continuing to the 1.4k target for Elrond. So that's my, so far my bull market target. Of course, if we get a large pump and then a pullback, I'll measure the pullback to give you new targets, but for the moment, this is my valid bull market target until invalidated. So for me, as long as we are above $112, which we are because we're at 186, then for me, the target is 1.4k for Elrond. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe, share it to your friends, your family, like-minded people like us, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have 0, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay
for my mentor, over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.